it's Henna here, and I wanted to do this really highly requested video from you guys on my Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my everyday natural makeup look, kind of look that I wear on the days that I do wear makeup regularly, but I don't wear makeup every single day. It's just when I do go out, this is kind of what I tend to do. So yeah, let's just get into this. I've already went ahead and prepped my skin with moisturizer, eye brightening, like eye cream, and I made sure to put my SPF, which is like key. I love SPF, that's really important. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Take a little spoolie brush right here just to brush up my brows a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I'm in the shade 6. I'm just going to go ahead and lightly fill out my brows. Nothing too crazy because this is an everyday makeup look. You can kind of see the difference with just a little bit of brow pencil right here, and this is how my normal brows are. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some primer, and I like to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Primer. I like this on the everyday. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. It is the Pro Filtr foundation from Fenty Beauty, and you can see I'm like up to here, so I'm almost done. And I'm in the shade 290. And I like to apply my foundation and concealer with my favorite sponge, and this is the Ecotools Total Perfecting Blender. This definitely has to be my favorite beauty sponge. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium 28. I'm going to apply this under my eyes, just a little bit, and I like to do everything in sections, just to make sure, you know, I blend it in time and it doesn't dry out too quickly. I try to get in my crevices on my nose, just because it tends to be a little darker there. And then, you know, I do like to highlight a little bit around the face and the high points, just a little bit right there. Now I like to make sure to set my foundation and concealer before I move on. So I'm going to take my Too Faced the Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. This is literally my holy grail. I have not been able to find anything else that I like more than this. It is amazing. And I like to apply it in the areas I know I do tend to get with these little spots. And then taking a more fluffy brush, I kind of just wisp it around the rest of the face to set the rest of my foundation. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Reloaded palette. I'm going to dip into 2 shades, into Bucked and Boundaries. Tap into both these shades and dust it off, and apply this into my crease as a transition. I'm going to go into that dark brown shade, the only dark brown shade in this palette right here, and it is in the shade Endgame, and I'm going to take some on my brush, tap off the excess, apply it on the corners of my eye, and just blend that brown out. From this palette into this one right here, it's Blur 35 brush, and just applying some there while I get a little bit, just to highlight the eyes a little bit more, brighten it up. I'm going to go into that shade Bucked, like the one that we used first right here. I'm going to take it on this smaller brush, just a little bit, not a lot, because this is my everyday look, so I don't like to do anything too crazy. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It's been my jam lately, so I'm going to apply that. What if I showed you I could change? Now I'm going to go ahead and bronze up the face just to add some warmth to my face. So I like to use a combination of 2 bronzers at the moment, using this brush right here. First with this Kylie bronzer in Tequila Tan. Really enjoy this shade right here, so I kind of just swoosh it around, and I really don't worry about contouring on an everyday look. It's more just about bringing back some warmth to my face. And then I go ahead and take the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Tantric, and I like to use the same brush, just dab in it and just go over the same areas. Just one more time. I don't know, I'm just really into this combo of bronzers. Then I just recently started getting into blush. Before I wasn't really into blush, but I really like the Kylie pressed blush in Kitten Baby. This is also, surprisingly, I really love her face products. They're really nice. So just kind of, you know, just a little bit. I like it because it's not too pigmented. They're very buildable blushes. So super subtle. And then for my highlight, I've been obsessing with this Cheek Leader Mini Bronze Squad palette because, I mean, I love the Hoola and the Gold Rush blush, but I'm obsessed with this highlight right here. And I'm just gonna go into Cookie and just apply that so lightly. Look at that, see? Not too blinding, but still pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Nude One lip liner from KKW Beauty. Then I really like to use normal bullet lipsticks lately. So I like to mix two, and they are from KKW Beauty. It's Nude 2 and Nude 3. So I like to go in with Nude 3 first. This one right here. And then on top of that, I go in with a little bit of a lighter nude. I like to go in with Nude 2 right over, just in the center of the lips.
I couldn't stay, take me or leave me. You can still...
And alrighty, you guys, that is my complete everyday natural makeup look. So yeah, pretty simple, nothing too crazy. This is just, I don't wear this every day. I only wear it when I do wear makeup, which is not every day. So yeah, definitely nothing too crazy. And yeah, so if you guys want to see any other videos like this showing you maybe like an everyday routine or something, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I do post new videos here every week. And make sure to click that notification bell button so you're notified on when my videos go up, because you don't want to miss out. But alright guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So bye guys.
What if I showed you